Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get Jinx on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the Riot client, and as you open your game, all you have to do is go in the option store right here. And as you view the store page, go on here and select these champions at first. And as you select it, just scroll this down, either just go in the search bar and type Jinx. And as you type it, you can see your Jinx right here, so just select this. And guys, you need RP coin or the DE coin to buy this Jinx for yourself, and you can just top up the RP coin if you don't have it. So guys, that's how you get Jinx on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.